Let us study more about the displacement, distance, and time interval and instant of time. In this line, we have our object is at position O. It is moving towards B and then it is moving towards A. It is moving from 0 point to the 100 meter, that is in the right side, that is positive sign. If it moves to the left side, then it is negative sign. Now, from O to B, it takes 5 seconds to move. After 5 seconds, what is the position of an object is? That is 40 meter. This 5 second is the instant of time. After 10 seconds, the position of object is 100 meter. So, this is 5 seconds and 10 seconds are the instant of time. But if we take as time interval from 0 to 40, it takes 5 seconds. The time interval between moving from 0 to 40 is 5 seconds. 40 to 100, it is again 5 seconds. So there is a difference in the instant of time. That instant of time is the clock at time, the clock which is showing. This is the instant of time. And time interval is the instant of time, 2 times के बीच का जो difference है, that is the time interval. Now, if object moving from 0 to B and B to A, then total distance covered by the object is 100 meter and its displacement is also 100 meter. It is moving in the right hand side. If on reaching at A, it moves back to 0, O point, then it travels another 100 meter. So total distance travel is 100 plus 100, that is 200 meter. But since it reaches at the point O again, so its displacement is 0. Its displacement is 0. Now, instead of reaching at point O, it stuck at the point B. So, its displacement is again 40 meter here. The total distance is 100 plus 60. Total distance is 100 plus 60 and that is 160. Total distance is 160. It stops at B. 100 plus A to B is 60 meters apart. This is 160 and displacement is 40 meters. Distance and displacement will equal itself when an object is moving at the same direction from O to A. That displacement is 100 meter and distance travel is also 100 meter. So in displacement, we have two things in consideration: the total distance travel, that is physical quantity in meters, and also the direction. Such quantities which have magnitude as well as the direction. Magnitude is 100 meter and direction is the right hand side of the line. So this is called, such quantities are called vector quantities, and those who only show the magnitude like distance, so they are called the scalar quantities. Their units are also meters. Both units are also in meters. There is no difference in the meters. Now in next video, I will take the example of ball.